Hello traders, hello everyone. Hope you all are doing great and hope you all are doing very much amazing. So I welcome you guys to this pre HSM mentorship video guide. Okay, in this video I want to talk about the mentorship curriculum. We'll talk about the what you expect, what you're going to gain, or what you're going to expect in the mentorship. Okay, so by 31st of this month, the website and the platform for the promotion and the awareness of this mentorship will be paused. I'll be on hold. It should be hidden so that we can be able to focus on the students that have signed up in the mentorship. So the registration ends 31st of March. Okay, so you have from the time you are actually getting access to this information to 31st of March to make your decision either to join the mentorship or not. Okay, so this video guide is to help people, students that have already signed up, traders have already signed up, to know what they're going to expect, and also to help those who are considering whether this is good for them or not to make that decision either to join the mentorship or not. Okay, there has been so many skepticism, so many things happening on the trading space, so I'm actually going to use this video to push my integrity, to clarify things, and to make sure that we are in the same page, to know what you're going to expect, to see things play out, and so that you'll be convinced on what you're going to expect. Okay, so we're going to run through the mentorship models, the first month to the last month. Okay, so we'll discuss about things you're going to expect. Okay, so this is a 6-month practical trading mentorship designed to make you profitable. Okay, it's not a recorded course. It's just me guiding you through the process, through the thoughts and proper guidance, and correcting you and developing you into a disciplined, profitable trader. That is what this whole mentorship is all about. So the first thing we're going to talk about is market structure. So in your first month, we will talk about market structure and key levels. So market structure, how price move; key levels, where price reacts. So these are the two things we're going to talk about in the first month. So in the first month, you will learn about market structure and key level. But like I told you guys that I'm going to use a chart example to explain what this whole mentorship is all about. So now we're going to use, this is US oil WTI chart. Now on 30th of April 2025, okay, I sent out a trade analysis to students or to traders that are following me. I sent out a tweet that US oil weekly, daily, and for our potential bullish crap on US oil. So I sent out this particular tweet. Okay, so now the first month is market structure and key level. So let me explain what you're going to learn in the first month. So in the first month, you're going to be learning about the interaction between market structure and key level, how they make a lot of sense. Now, a lot of traders are looking to buy when they are supposed to be looking for sell, and they are looking for sell when they are supposed to be looking for buy. So with the knowledge of market structure and key level, you understand when to look at for a buy and when to look at for a sell. So when I saw this setup, what really got my attention was because I have a knowledge of what key level. Okay, I have a knowledge of what key level. That was what caught my attention. Hope you guys can see my screen very well. So I have a knowledge of key level. That is what caught my attention. Now probably price, maybe, I don't know if this will work. Let me see. Price maybe somewhere here. Okay, you have already identified this key level because you have gone through our mentorship. We've taught you what to look at for in key level and where those key levels make sense, the time frame you should look at for those key levels. So you've already, maybe during the weekend, you've mapped out all your key levels in a particular asset or pair you are trading. Okay, so I mapped out this key level, and then guess what? See what happened. Okay, and then price actually started moving. It was very fast. Let me just slow that a little bit. It was very fast, but I'm going to slow that down a little bit so we can understand what actually happened there. Okay, good. Okay, let's just play it again. Let's play that again. Good. So now this is where price was when I identified this key level. Okay. So now secondly is market structure. Now, am I going to be looking for sell here? Hell no. Why? Because I have a knowledge of where to look for a sell and where to look for a buy based on market structure. Okay. I've seen that price have been making these movements into a key level. And when price hits a key level that is on the lower side of the market, you shouldn't be looking for a sell. Rather, you should be expecting, you should be anticipating what? A reversal, because price have hit a higher time frame key level. That particular movement that price is making into that key level could potentially change. So that is just what you need to understand about market structure. Now, in your second month, we'll be talking about Fibonacci retracement, extensions, and what? Projection. So the Fibonacci retracement, extension, and projection will help us to understand the and then also we expose you to harmonic pattern foundation. You'll be able to understand the relationship between key level, harmonic pattern, and Fibonacci retracement and extension too, how they are related together. Okay, so you'll be taught about the Fibonacci retracement levels that we use for harmonics and the extension levels that we use for what? For harmonics. You'll be taught about that. Okay, now when I saw this key level, what I did was to start to formulate a harmonic pattern into that key level. Okay, so after everything, I checked out and I found out that there was actually a harmonic pattern that is in alignment with that what? With this key level right here. Okay, and this is what we call a bullish crab pattern. So what really made this to be a valid setup was because of the fact that there was a Fibonacci ratio alignment. Okay, you see that the ratio of Fibonacci of 1.618 aligns perfectly with the key level of what? Fair value gap, which is one of the key levels we'll be talking about in the mentorship. So when I saw that and I found out that this particular pattern or this particular structure represents a crab pattern, and the measurement of that crab pattern aligns perfectly with this Fibonacci, with this key level, voila, we have a valid what? Setup into that key level. So what I need to now do is to use the tool which you're going to learn in the third month, which is the harmonic patterns. In the third month, you'll be exposed to all the harmonic patterns, the bullish and the bearish harmonic patterns, which you're going to be learning in the third month. Okay, and the tools you'll be using. Okay, so I use the SABCD tool, which you're going to be exposed to do what? To enclose that particular location. Okay, so and to do that is very simple. You'll be taught how to, it's not a recorded course, so I'm going to be teaching you step by step how to identify that. So let's do that again. Okay, and also how to set up your TradingView platform. I'm going to teach you how to do that as well. Okay, you'll be taught how to set up your TradingView platform, how to put all these things, how to save templates, how to save charts, and every other thing that you'll be needing for the mentorship. You'll be taught how to do that. Okay, now the beauty of harmonic is the ratio alignment and how everything is simplified. Okay, so now this is where price is. So what I did was to place my pending order here, and in your fourth month you'll be learning about risk management and trading psychology. Now in the risk management, you'll be taught about how to place your stop loss and how to place your target, because each harmonic pattern have its own specific measured take profit levels and stop loss level. Let me take that again. Each harmonic pattern has its own specific measured take profit level and stop loss level. So when I sent out that particular tweet, I've already mapped out everything. You can see that this is how it was then. I've already mapped out everything. In fact, price I've already reacted from there. Even when I sent out the tweet, you can see. So this was when I sent out the tweet, and these are the reactions. Even the re-entry, we'll teach you how to also catch a re-entry if you miss the first move. Okay, so you can see how we are able to achieve this massive target with the knowledge of what? With the knowledge of harmonic pattern and key level alignment. Okay, so in your fourth month, you'll be taught about how to place your target, how to place your stop loss for each of the harmonic patterns you will be learning. Now for this particular pattern, it's called the bullish crab pattern. Okay, the take profit level is somewhere around here. So now let's see how this played out. Let's see how this played out. Okay, we got tagged and immediately moved from away from the what key level. And you can see the power of key level. You can see the power of key level. You can see the power of what key level. You see how fast that was. In fact, if you're waiting for confirmation, you wouldn't have catch any confirmation for this type of entry. But then price gave us, I don't want to go into much details because I want to explain the course curriculum, the mentorship curriculum. So I don't want to enter into all the whole concept and everything, all of that. But in the mentorship, we'll go down into the lower time frame to see other setups that we can as well take to enjoy the movement of what price. Okay, so this is what happened here, and everything became a history. So in your 5th month, you'll be learning about risk management and trading psychology, and then in your final month, which is the 6th month, you'll be now from your 5th month you start executing trade. You start executing harmonic pattern setups from your 5th month, and then your 6th month is your project where you go to the chart and begin to, you go to past data, begin to identify past harmonic pattern setups, and then begin to do what we call back testing. You start doing back testing, and you start trading live and start analyzing charts and start publishing your analysis to other traders so that other traders will see your what you've learned and how you are able to trade harmonic pattern. So that is how we're going to go through these steps, through this process step by step. Okay, so it's me with you, walking you through the process and guiding you all the way until you begin to enjoy the profit and the process that comes with the freedom that comes with trading what harmonic pattern. Okay, and you can see that immediately price got to that key level, what happened? It pushed to the downside because this is also a valid what key level, and we caught a sell from this key level because there was a valid harmonic pattern into that key level also. So you can see that harmonic patterns can occur anywhere in the market, both on the lower time frame and also what on the higher time frame. It can appear on any asset, on any trade, any pair you are trading, whether forex, cryptocurrency, indices. It can appear anywhere. So you'll be learning about key level and market structure. You'll be learning about Fibonacci extension retracement tool. You'll be learning about harmonic patterns, both the bullish and bearish scenario. You'll be learning about how to place stop loss target. You'll be learning about risk management and trading psychology. You will now be going to the chart and begin to trade and begin to understand how this thing works. So I invite you to join the mentorship. I want you to be committed because I'm ready to teach you. I'm ready to make sure that you understand everything to the barest minimum. So I'm ready to pour my heart and spirit into this mentorship. I'm ready to teach you. But are you willing? Are you ready to let go of all the things you've learned to learn? If you are ready to learn, then I'm ready to teach you. So I invite you to join the mentorship if you have not joined, and if you have actually signed up, congratulations, because we'll be exposing you how to carry out all of these things step by step. So I love you guys and I wish you guys all the best. And this will be all for now. If you have other questions or any other clarification that you want, please, my DM is open. My number is also available. You can call me, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. I will always be available to respond to you. I'm always very active on X. I'm always very active on WhatsApp as well. So I wish you guys all the best, and this will be all for now. So if you're considering joining the mentorship, I think this video will actually help you to know if you should join or not. Okay, so I love you guys, and this will be all for now. So I'll meet you guys in the mentorship. When we start the mentorship, we'll have enough time to discuss about the market and how to profit from it. So this will be all for now, and bye for now, guys.